Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Do Not Disturb keeps turning on Realme 16. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, if you want to fix this problem, so turn off Do Not Disturb mode. After turn off Do Not Disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Do Not Disturb keeps turning on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.